with mixed reviews, and Alicia Keys' first note when she came out on If I Ain't Got You was just no bueno. Well, the other things are the ads, of course, and hands down, everybody says that Ben Affleck, Matt Damon, and Tom Brady, along with J-Lo and Fat Joe, the Dunkin's Super Bowl commercial is winning as the best ad. It was hilarious. The Dunkings, you know, the boy band. If you haven't seen it yet, go to 1013.com.
Heading out later tonight, bundle up. We've got some cold night morning temperatures on the way, with those lows falling in the 30s to lower 40s. Partly sunny tomorrow, highs near 60.
This report is sponsored by Alliant International University.
At Alliant International University, we believe in equity, inclusivity, and social justice. Join our community of students and faculty and start to succeed on purpose. Learn more at alliant.edu/purpose. Goose Insurance. From dream rental to dream coverage, Goose Insurance makes renters insurance easy. Get $100,000 of personal liability coverage and up to $40,000 in contents coverage for as low as $15 a month. With Goose Insurance, you're just 2 minutes away from instant coverage and a happy landlord. So download the Goose Insurance app now and cover your tail feathers with renters insurance from Goose Insurance. Goose Insurance. Your insurance super app. Insurance is sold by Goose Insurance Services Incorporated, underwritten by various companies.
Can't sleep with this cold.
Honey.
Honey?
Honey, you need NyQuil Severe Honey.
NyQuil Severe Honey gives you powerful cold and flu symptom relief with a dreamy honey taste.
Feeling better, honey? Honey? I'll take that as a yes.
Try NyQuil Severe Honey for powerful cold and flu symptom relief. NyQuil Severe with honey flavor. The nighttime sniffling, sneezing, coughing, aching, fever. Honeylicious, best sleep with a cold. Medicine. Use as directed. Keep out of reach of children.
In order for small businesses to thrive, they need to be smart.
Message received. Do you want to hear it?
Staying ahead of the market at every turn. Finding ways to do more with less. And taking advantage of every opportunity that comes their way. That's why Comcast Business is introducing the Small Business Bonus. For a limited time, you can get up to a $1,000 prepaid card when you switch to Comcast Business, the company with the largest, fastest, reliable network. So if you're a small business owner, don't wait. Call or go online to learn about the $1,000 bonus today.
Give your business a head start in 2024. Get started with fast speeds and advanced security for $49.99 a month for 12 months with a 2-year agreement. Call or go online to switch today. It's 2/21/24. Restrictions apply. New customers only with 50 megabits per second internet and security edge. Eco-bill and auto pay required. Equipment, taxes, and fees extra. Prepaid card offer requires premium internet. Moments like making my kids my famous meatballs mean a lot to me. But after being diagnosed with metastatic breast cancer, or MBC, which is breast cancer that is spread to other parts of the body, they mean even more. I take Ibrance, palbociclib. Ibrance 125 milligram tablets with an aromatase inhibitor is for adults with HR-positive, HER2-negative MBC as the first hormonal-based therapy. Ask your doctor about Ibrance and visit Ibrance.com. Ibrance may cause low white blood cell counts that may lead to serious infections. Ibrance may cause severe inflammation of the lungs. Both of these can lead to death. Tell your doctor right away if you have new or worsening symptoms, including trouble breathing, shortness of breath, cough, or chest pain. Before taking Ibrance, tell your doctor if you have fever, chills, or other signs of infection, liver or kidney problems, are or plan to become pregnant, or are breastfeeding. Common side effects include low red blood cell and low platelet counts, infections, tiredness, nausea, sore mouth, abnormalities in liver blood tests, diarrhea, hair thinning or loss, vomiting, rash, and loss of appetite.
So my home is also my office, and before I can focus, every room's gotta be clean. That means tidying up and spraying my Febreze Air Mist. Ooh, that's fresh. Febreze Air Mist scents are all high quality. They fight any weird funk, and they give my air an instant boost of freshness. So not only does my home smell good, I feel good too. After I Febreze, it's time to start my day.
Breathe, Febreze, la 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 la.
The first time I tried to quit vaping, I told myself that it was like a mountain that I had to climb over. And once I got to the other side, it would be clear. But I couldn't make it over. What really got me to quit was my little sister. I saw her vaping. So I was back in the mountain, but this time, she was up there with me. It's weird what you can do for others that you won't do for yourself.
Every attempt is part of your story to quit for good. Visit Kick It California today at kickitca.org. Did you know COVID-19 vaccines have been updated this season? They're one of the best ways to help protect yourself against recent variants, and most people in the U.S. should continue to pay nothing out of pocket for COVID-19 vaccines. Uninsured or underinsured adults can receive them at no cost at participating Bridge program locations, and eligible children can receive them through the Vaccines for Children program at participating providers. For children, COVID-19 vaccines are at no cost, but there may be fees such as for the visit or administration. Book a vaccine option at schedulecovidvax.com. Sponsored by Pfizer.
At Sutter, we never stop listening more, doing more, believing more. Over 370,000 cancer screenings never stop catching up with you. 3.2 million online appointments never stop making life easier. And over 220 locations never stop providing exceptional care, exceptionally close by. Getting better never stops. Learn more at sutterhealth.org.
Mason's football game is about to start. How am I going to cheer on with this sore throat?
Try these. Mucinex Institute drops are uniquely formulated for rapid relief that lasts so less. Mucinex Institute sore throat medicated drops. Buy now at your favorite retailer. Use a thread. It's the story everyone's talking about. Martha Stewart's candid conversation with her cosmetic dermatologist. As iHeart Podcasts bring you the season 2 premiere of the Martha Stewart podcast.
So many comments about my face that when did I have it done and how much retouching's on the photographs, and I just want to set the record straight.
Hear it all for yourself. Listen to the Martha Stewart podcast on the free iHeart Radio app or wherever you listen to podcasts.
File 1013, Bay Area traffic.
We have a stall on the main bridge. It is on the eastbound 80 Skyway. Sugar Bowl is back right before the span. Right up First Street. Left lane. You're backed up from 1 and northbound what's slow continuation. Our back in Fairfield, East 80 before Red Top. Delays from American Canyon.
This report is sponsored by Lowe's. Shop deals on LG at Lowe's with up to 35% off select major appliances. Plus, save an extra $75 on every $750 you spend on all major appliances. Lowe's knows home improvement. Valid through 2/28. Savings vary based on purchase amount. Exclusions apply. See Lowe's.com for more details.
Star 1013 is KIOI San Francisco.